Lee Seung Hee was born in Cheongju, the capital of North Chungcheong Province, South Korea, where he studied ceramics, fibercraft, dyeing, and tapestry. In 2008, he relocated and established his studio in Jingdezhen, China, known for its fine soil and historic porcelain production. For the past 35 years, Lee Seung Hee has been at the revolutionary frontier of contemporary ceramic art. He has consistently challenged traditional perspectives, innovating contemporary ceramic paintings and installations from the origins of porcelain art. Lee incorporates Asian motifs, materials, and colors strongly associated with traditional Asian ceramics, enabling viewers to bridge the gap between his contemporary creations and the rich heritage of ceramics. This exhibition begins with Lee's earlier Tao Series, which reinterprets historical three-dimensional ceramic masterpieces. Vases, bowls, jars, dishes, and drinking vessels from the Joseon dynasty into two-dimensional image on porcelain tiles. While in his previous series, Lee has often transformed fully three-dimensional objects into low-relief ceramic works, space of 8mm gives a dimensional form to what is ordinarily a flat object, a sheet of paper. Lee begins by sculpting a flat clay surface of 8mm thickness, stimulating the appearance of folded or layered paper by applying 10 to 20 layers of kaolin. This technique creates a subtle yet perceptible paper-thin elevation. Lee's newest addition to the space of 8mm series, the like paper extension delves into the origins of paper and explores the myriad wonders surrounding its inception. In today's society, paper has become as ubiquitous as air. Yet Lee is fascinated by the initial sparks of curiosity and joy that led to its invention. Through this exploration, Lee returns a similar sense of wonder and sincerity in creating each piece.
작업을 지금 보시면 알겠지만 사실은 다른 작업에 비해서 좀 거칠거나 흠집이 난다든가 문제가 생긴 것들도 많거든요. 근데 저는 그걸 나쁘게 안 보고 그대로 수용하는 태도로 작업합니다. 내가 견딜만 하면 그것이 나쁜 것이 아니라 내가 수용된 상태로 보여지고 그것은 다른 관찰자들에 의해서는 더 새로움을 보일 수도 있으니까 그런 거예요. 그런 걸 택하고 내가 수용했을 때 약간의 감정이 좋을 때가 있다. 이것도 내가 수용했네.
In China, Lee discovered new possibilities in the malleable properties of clay during the making process, juxtaposed with its fragility and inelasticity once completed. Intrigued by these opposing characteristics, Lee chose to recreate the bamboo image using clay. Seeking to contrast hard and soft, Lee focuses on crafting individual joints that emulate natural bamboo. He observes the contraction and deformation of clay, as well as the varied discoloration in ceramic glazes. The crucial point in this process is achieving harmony while making slight variations in the thickness, length, and color of each joint. The ceramic bamboo pieces are sculpted and baked individually, then assembled to form a towering grove of bamboo trees over 4 meters tall. In Asian culture, bamboo symbolizes virtues like modesty, integrity, and resilience. Together, hundreds of joints evoke groves of graceful, freestanding bamboo trees, and emphasize the harmony between nature and human beings.
행위는 있어도 시각적으로 인위적인 흔적이 노출되지 않는 작업. 보여주고 싶은 마음이 자랑이 되지 않고 소통 또한 포기하지 않는 태도 같은 작업을 하고 싶다. 이것은 마치 침묵과의 대화처럼 느껴진다. 긴 침묵에서 참고 기다리며 느껴야 하는 끝없는 인내심 뒤에야 오는 울림들. 지금의 작업은 장식도 없고 기호도 없고 이미지도 없이 그저 시간의 흔적만 존재하는 작업일지도 모른다. 이 작업은 끝없는 동굴을 지나가는 느낌과 유사하다. 그래도 믿음과 꿈이 있어서 더듬더듬 움직이며 어느 날 문득 다가올 작은 불빛을 기대한다.